Welcome to this section on Fast API. Fast API is a modern, fast web framework for building APIs with Python 3.6 plus. Based on standard Python type hints, it boosts high performance on par with Node.js and Go. Thanks to Starlet and Pydantic, Fast API also comes with automatic interactive API documentation, and it's designed to be easy to use and learn. In this section, we'll explore the basic setup and routing in Fast API. To get started with Fast API, you need to install it using pip. Additionally, you'll need an ASGI server such as UVcorn to serve your Fast API application. You can install both using the following command. Here, pip install Fast API, and then another one is pip install UVcorn. Let's create our Fast API application. First, import Fast API and create an instance of it. Then, define your first endpoint using the app-get decorator. This will create a route for root URL that returns a simple JSON response. To run your Fast API application, use UVcorn. The command is UVcorn main app --reload. Tells UVcorn to run the app instance from the main module. The reload flag enables auto-reloading for development, so the server will start whenever you make changes to your code. In Fast API, you can define routes for different HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete, etc. Where here, we define a get route to fetch an item by its ID and optional query parameters. We are also define post route, creating new item. Fast API use Python type hints to automatically validate and convert the input parameters. Fast API allows you to easily define path parameters and query parameters in your routes. Path parameters are part of the URL path, while query parameters are appended to the URL. Here we have a route that takes both user ID, then item ID as path parameters, and an optional detail as a query parameter. To handle request bodies in Fast API, you can use Pydantic models. Pydantic models provide data validation and parsing using Python type hints. Here, we define an item model with field for name, description, price, and tax. The create item route accepts an item instance, and Fast API will automatically parse and validate the request body against the item model. In this section, we cover the basic setup of Fast API application, how to define routes, and how to handle different types of parameters and request bodies. In this section, we cover the basic setup of Fast API application, how to define routes, how to handle different types of parameters and request bodies. Fast API makes it easy to create and manage APIs with minimal code and maximum performance.